So good morning student, this is my third video on your emulsion. Then we'll discuss theories of emulsification. There is a theories for emulsification. There are three major theories proposed to explain the action of emulsifying agent in stabilizing emulsion. What are the actions of emulsifying agent to stabilize the emulsion? There is a first theory, surface tension theory. Molecular in bulk of liquid attached equally on all sides of solid by surrounding similar type of molecule through cohesive force. Because of droplets they are attracted to each other because of there is a cohesive force. However, at the surface there is an inward attraction of molecule due to the imbalance attractive force between the molecule of oil and water phase. Whenever there is an imbalance between the attractive force, it leads to there is upward movement of your oil and water phase. There is upward movement of your oil or water droplets. The emulsifying agent reduces the interfacial tension between the two immiscible liquids. That has a property to reduce the interfacial tension. If you are decreasing or reducing interfacial tension, there is a closeness or attraction will be increased. This leads to reduction in repulsion force between this liquid, which ultimately decrease the attraction of liquid own molecule. Therefore, decrease in attraction of liquid of our own molecule. The surfactant help to convert large globule into small one and avoid the small globule to form the cohesion and large molecule. Surfactant has a property to convert the large globule into small one and avoid the small globule to form a cohesion, and those are the small globule is also our leads to formation of breaking that can be overcome with the help of surfactant. Theory oriented wedge theory. In this theory, the oil-like or non-polar end of the emulsifying agent turn toward the oil and polar end toward the polar liquid, whereas non-polar ends or tail is attracted toward oil phase and polar end is attracted toward the polar liquid phase. The oriented wedge theory of emulsion indicate in the non-polar end of emulsifying agent is smaller if the emulsion will be the OW type of emulsion. According to the oriental theory, if the non-polar end of emulsifying agent is smaller, then emulsion will be the oil in water type of emulsion. If the polar end is smaller, the emulsion will be the WO type of emulsion. Okay. Then the interfacial theory. Interfacial film theory suggests that the emulsifying agent make an interface between the two miscible phases of the emulsion. They are preparing the interface between the two immiscible phases. They surround the droplet of their internal phase as a thin film. They are surrounded to make a surrounded droplet by making the interface between the surrounded droplets. The film prevent the coalescence of dispersed phase, and because of this they can be prevent the coalescence, means breaking up your two separate layers will be prevented by the surfactant. Then emulsificant test for identification. If you are preparing the emulsion or if in marketing preparation is there, what types of emulsion you can be identified with the help of following test. You have to carry out the following test and you can be analyzed whether it is the OW or WO type emulsion, micro emulsion. These are the you can be conducted by the following test. Several tests have been proposed for the identification of emulsion. In that, first is dilution test or miscibility test. In this test, the emulsion is diluted either with oil or water. If the emulsion is OW type and it is diluted with water till it will remain stable as water in dispersed medium. Because of water level is high in the comparison with the oil level, if you are going to add in the water in water, it has no leads or breaking of your separation will not be seen as compared to because water is miscible, miscible in the water system. If emulsion is diluted with oil, the emulsion will be break as oil and water are not miscible with each other. When we are adding the OW type of emulsion in oil, in that cases oil and water will be separated because of breaking will be separate two layers will be same because of high concentration of water is there and oil will not be miscible with your water. That is immiscibility will be seen at the beaker level. Then electrical conductivity test. The basic principle of test has that water is a good conductor of electricity. As you know that water is a good conductor of electricity. Electric current is conducted by OW emulsion owing to presence of ionic species in water. When you are passing the current in the water, it has a least to get a ionic species, that is S2 plus or O2 ion, S2 plus or O2 plus ion. Oil that with oil in continuous phase will not. In case assemble a use of which pair of electrodes connected, an electric bulb is dipped into the emulsion. The emulsion OW, the electric bulb is blow. The test fail, non-ionic OW type of emulsion. You perform this test. You can using the electrodes containing the positive or negative charge, and there is a bulb. Because of good conductor of electricity, there is a high percentage of in your emulsion is water. In that case, your bulb will be glow. Because of water percent is more, in means that OW type of emulsion. Whereas oil has a bad conductor of electricity and it has no glow. Bulb will not be glows because of there is no ionization take place in oil phase, that in the case of WO type emulsion, because of percentage water is less and a percentage of oil is high. In this test you can calculate the you can analyze the which types of emulsion. Then staining test, dye solubility test. In this test, emulsion is mixed with water soluble dye, that is amaranth or methylene blue, and observe under the microscope. You have to perform this test. This is the use of the water soluble dye. If the continuous phase appear red, it means that emulsion is OW type emulsion. In continuous phase or in the external phase, because percent of water is high, that high will be the seen in the high percentage water acquire the color. It means that this is a WO type of emulsion. The scatter globule appear in a red in the continuous phase, become colorless. This is the WO type of emulsion. If you are look like OW type of emulsion, with the percentage of water is less and percentage of oil is high, in that case that the continuous phase is oil, it cannot be absorbed your water soluble dye. That's why it looks like the spot like structure, and according to that you can be analyze the spot like structure we call as a WO type emulsion, and there is a continuous phase which likes red. It means that it is a OW type of emulsion. Cobalt chloride test. When a filter paper soak into the cobalt chloride solution in deep into the emulsion and dried it, turn from the blue to pink. When you are using the cobalt chloride test, you just soak into the cobalt chloride and then dip into the emulsion and dry it. Turn to blue to pink. If there is a turn to blue to pink, indicate that emulsion is OW type of emulsion. This test may fail emulsion in unstable or break in presence of electrolyte. If there is a unstable emulsion, in that case cobalt chloride test will be fail. Then fluorescence test. In this test, आता मला सांगा की काय चमकतं जास्त, ऑइल चमकतं की वाटर? ऑइल चमकतं. ठीक आहे, ऑइल जास्त चमकतं. दॅट इज इन द फ्लोरोसन्स टेस्ट. तेच आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. ऑइल फ्लोरोसन्स अंडर द UV लाईट. If emulsion on exposure to ultraviolet show continuous fluorescence under the microscope, then OW types of emulsion. Then WO type of emulsion. If the show only spotty fluorescence, then WO type of emulsion. Because of oil phase is more, WO types of emulsion, it shows the high fluorescence, whereas in water in oil emulsion they can show the spotty fluorescence. ठीक आहे. ऑइल जास्त चमकतं, त्यामुळे ज्यावेळेस ऑइलचं पर्सेंटेज जास्त असेल त्यावेळेस ते ऑइल फ्लोरोसन्स जास्त दाखवल म्हणजे WO टाइप इमल्शन आहे, आणि ज्यावेळेस तुमचं फ्लोरोसन्स कमी दाखवल म्हणजे त्यावेळेस ते WO टाइप म्हणजे वॉटरचं पर्सेंटेज जास्त आहे आणि ऑइलचं कमी आहे. ठीक आहे. देन रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह इंडेक्स. Refractive index measurement is a unique way identify the emulsion. Considering a beam of light is transmitted through the WO type emulsion, because of oil has a high optical density than the water. Because oil has a high optical density than the water, the speed of light reduces as the light enter in the oil. When you are using light is reduce the light enter. When your speed of light is reduced by light enter in the oil, beam of light change direction absurdly as it enter in the oil because change in speed. because oil has when we are observe the refractive index, when we are transmitting the light, it changes its direction because of oil, speed of oil is high. The blending of light ray called as optical refraction. Here is a bending of your lights, it called as a optical refraction. The ratio of speed of light, water to speed in the oil and called as a refractive index. When oil phase or water phase have equal refractive index value, light will not be bent as is strict obviously at the emulsion interface. ज्यावेळेस ऑइल फेज आणि वॉटर फेज हे तुमचं इक्वल रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह इंडेक्स असेल त्यावेळेस बेंडिंग इज विल नॉट बी ऑब्झर्व. Instead, light is transmitted through the emulsion without refraction, which produce clarity. Without produce the transmission will be seen, that is without clarity, produce the clarity of your segmentation. This test is most commonly used identification of micro or nano emulsion. Those are the micro or nano emulsion. It shows there is a transparency or clearance of your liquid with you are bombarding the optical rotation, or you are bombarding the lights on your in your solution, in your emulsion. In that cases commonly use identification of micro and nano emulsion. In that cases you can be with the help of refractive index you can be analyzed whether it is micro emulsion or nano emulsion. And this is the diagram where we can be understand if the dye test in the OW type of emulsion there is a, this is the look like this likes of this, and dye test and WO type emulsion, because of water has a water percentage is less and water dye has observed by the it show the red in color, whereas in WO type there is a percentage of water is more, it looks like a red in color in all portion. Then WO type emulsion is dilution test. You are diluted with water, there is a no change in your emulsion, no change in phase change. And when you are diluted the OW type of emulsion with your oil, there is a separation of your two layers, or breaking will be observed under the under this beaker, or this is the two separate layers seen in the treatment because of water percentage is more, and water and oil will not be miscible to each other. Then electrical conductivity test. In this test there is a cathode and anode used in the OW type of emulsion. It bulb is glow. आता bulb जर लागला आहे तर it has a good conductor of electricity, म्हणजेच percentage water is high, percentage water is less, म्हणजे OW type of emulsion. This is diagrammatical representation of your identification test of your emulsion. Method of preparation. Then we will discuss the method of preparation of your emulsion. We know milk is a natural emulsion, consists of fatty globules surrounded by a layer of casein suspended in the water. As you know that तुम्हाला माहित आहे की water milk as a natural emulsion, and according to that natural emulsion they have put forward in the pharmaceutical preparation. Then general method. Generally an OW emulsion is prepared by dividing the oil phase completely into the minute globule. They are preparing the oil phase are completely minute formulated in the minute globule. Each oil globule is involved by emulsifying agent and is suspended in the aqueous phase. The globule should be suspended, or globule should be dispersed in your aqueous phase. Conversely, they are WO type of emulsion. Water globules is enveloped by emulsifying agent and finally globules are suspended in the oil in phase. तेच आपण जर उलटं बघितलं किंवा जर आपण WO टाइप इमल्शन बनवायचं त्यावेळेस तुमचे वाटरचे ग्लोबुल जे आहे ते इट शुड बी इन्व्हॉल्व टू इमल्सिफाइंग एजंट अँड फायनली ग्लोबुल्स आर सस्पेंडेड इन द ऑइल. जसं वॉटर ग्लोबुल्स आहेत ते ऑइल मध्ये सस्पेंड झाले पाहिजे, आणि ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही OW टाइप ऑफ इमल्शन बनवता त्यावेळेस ऑइल जे आहे हे वॉटर मध्ये डिस्पर्स झाले पाहिजे किंवा सस्पेंड झाले पाहिजे. देन सेकंड इज phase inversion method. In this method, the aqueous phase is firstly added to the oil phase so as to form a WO type of emulsion. If you are preparing the emulsion, firstly you are adding the water and then you are going to adding the oil emulsion. It form a WO type of emulsion. At the invert point, addition of more amount of water result in inversion of emulsion, which give rise to an OW emulsion or vice versa in WO type of emulsion. When you are going to adding the more water, it leads to inversion or leads to converted from the WO type emulsion to OW type of emulsion because of addition of aqueous phase we are going to add in at the invert point. Then dry gum